We do have another weather impact alert day in effect for tomorrow as we're tracking snow, cold, and gusty winds. And of course, this is going to be just in time for the morning commute for tomorrow. So listen up, parents, teachers, kids. School may be impacted. It really just depends on where you are. And I'll have the hour-by-hour forecast coming up in just a moment. But as we're tracking those gusty winds, could cause for some of that snow to be blowing around, could cause some limited visibility. But yes, 1 to 3 inches of snow is possible. But even before that, we are tracking some snow for this afternoon. Not everyone's seeing some snow, mainly our western counties. I mean, here's 3 o'clock, picking the kids up from school. Most of us just seeing cloudy skies, could see a few flurries throughout the afternoon and throughout the evening. 6 o'clock, the evening commute, most of us once again just seeing cloudy skies and a little bit of some snow. Most of tonight, just cloudy skies. Again, a few flurries are possible, but stopping this around 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. This is when these snow showers start to develop, and it'll continue to increase throughout the morning. And here's 9 o'clock. Most of the area is seeing those widespread snow showers. So if we can have these snow showers start just a little bit later, I think a lot of the school districts should go on time for tomorrow. But again, it just depends on your school's policy. But by this time tomorrow, we're done with the snow. It's just blanketed across the, the sidewalks, the roadways, the grass, and also on our vehicles as well too. But after this time tomorrow, we're just seeing cloudy skies, a few flurries possible once again, but it will be feeling much colder. But everyone, no matter where you are, Northwest Ohio, Southeast Michigan, East, West, North, South, everyone has that chance for about 1 to 3 inches of snow. Again, it really just depends on where you are. But looking ahead towards today, mostly cloudy skies for most of the day. Those temperatures will only be in the mid-20s. So still going to be chilly outside, but you know what? This is nothing new. We've been talking about the cold for quite a while. But then tonight, we will drop back down to the upper teens with a few isolated snow showers possible. But temperatures will be turning much colder going on into the weekend. I want to show you this because we're forecasting highs tomorrow afternoon in the mid-30s. I mean, this is going to be, I should say, early tomorrow morning. By the afternoon, we'll be feeling into the 20s and the teens and feeling possibly even much colder for some of us. We stay in the teens and the 20s for the weekend. We will see that mixture of sunshine and clouds going on into Saturday, Sunday. A few flurries are possible. Otherwise, just cloudy skies. Monday and Tuesday, there's that mixture of sunshine and clouds, and temperatures are slowly warming up. By Monday, upper 20s, still below average and below freezing. But Tuesday, a little bit different. Finally back to above average and above freezing temperatures. And we're staying in the mid-30s for the second half of the week. But along with that, the chance for some rain, snow, that rain-snow mixture from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, even into Valentine's Day. That wintry mixture is possible. And temperatures will cool down just a little bit just in time for Valentine's Day. Temperatures remain in the low 30s. So we are still on that roller coaster as far as temperatures go. But you know what? We're gradually warming up. It's just taking some time. That's a look at your extended forecast.